How to use exclusive equipment fragments in Dark War. So to use these, you're gonna need to unlock a specific hero's exclusive equipment. Since fragments can't be used on their own, each hero has their own exclusive weapon or a type of equipment they can use. And once it's unlocked using enough fragments, you can access it through the hero's equipment screen or gear tab. It's going to look something like this over here. And from there, you can tap on the exclusive weapon and then choose the upgrade option, where you will be able to send the fragments to increase its stats. After unlocking it, the fragments are mainly used for upgrading and not just for unlocking the specific equipment, and higher levels will of course require more of these fragments. But maybe you are still not allowed to do this option or even make use of the equipment section. Make sure your watchtower is at level 15, since that is the general watchtower level for you to unlock the equipment feature in this game. So since the stat boost and unique skills can improve your performance in battles and events, you don't have the exclusive weapon unlocked yet, the fragments will just stay in your inventory until you have enough or you collect enough to activate the equipment. But that's pretty much how you can use these items. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.